we have our head here. We've got it finished. We did a final sanding on it. So now we want to seal it. We have the mouth done. We have the mouth trimmed up so it'll fit. And it opens and closes properly the way we want it. So we're going to be using some wood filler to coat it with. First thing we want to do is take a damp cloth and you want to wipe it all down. Get all that dust off of it that's on there before you start to seal it. We'll take some of this wood filler here and we're going to add a little water to it just to make it a little more pasty so it'll spread easier. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. But by adding a little water to this, it'll make it a little more pasty, so it'll spread easier. And we're going to coat the entire head with this, and then we'll just let it set up real good for a day or two. I normally wait 2 days so it has a good chance of drying really well. You see, by making it almost kind of like a peanut buttery paste to it, but this makes it spread so much easier, and that way you can do the entire head. So what we do is we coat the entire head with this, then we'll take sandpaper and sand it all down, make it smooth, touch up spots that need to be touched up, and sand that down, and then we should be ready to start to put our undercoat on there. We're also going to put a little water in our cup here. So I always start with my center. And you're just going to use your finger and you're just going to spread it all out. Like I said, you want to do the whole thing, and then if some spots, you can also take a little water and smooth it out this way. A little water on your finger, that helps. Like that, we'll do the whole thing, let it set up real well, and then we'll sand it down. Where we have the screw holes, where we put these screws in, you just fill this little hole with putty, let it dry, and then that's why we inset our screws. Got the screws in the ears, we'll do that also. So we're going to keep working on this, and once we get it done, we'll come back to the next step. Thanks for watching.